everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's October and you feel like 2024 hasn't been your year. You have wasted time, you have missed the opportunities, you have not made the progress you wanted. You are not alone and it's never too late. Let's hit the reset button and reclaim the next few months of 2024. Let's talk about reflection. It isn't about beating yourself. It is about taking few moments to understand why you were not able to achieve those things in these 10 months. What held you back? Was it some distraction, some fear of failure, or just lack of motivation? Take few moments to understand these things. It is about learning and moving forward. Next, set realistic goal. We have only 2 months, so don't try to achieve everything which you were not able to achieve in these 10 months. Set realistic goals. Pick something meaningful, whether it is about your health, about your professional career, or you want to learn a new skill. Pick something meaningful and actionable. Break it down. It is the key to success. Break your goals into small, meaningful steps. Don't try to achieve perfection. Small wins add to massive change over time. Build a routine, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Once you have break down your goals into small steps, write down those small steps and include them in your routine. Work on those steps every day. Suppose if you want to stay fit, add a 15-20 minute of workout session in your daily routine. Then only you'll be able to achieve it. Transformation is much easier when you are not doing it alone. Find friend or a colleague or online community and share your progress, challenges and wins over there. When you share it with your friends or with the community, then you stay motivated and focused. So build a community and share your small wins there. Don't forget to celebrate your wins. Celebrate your small wins, whether it is doing workout for an hour or learning a new skill. Celebrate those moments. But when you celebrate these moments, it keeps you motivated for the next steps. Never go for perfection. Perfection is the biggest enemy of progress. We all are humans. We have good day and bad day. We will achieve more on good days and will achieve less on bad day. That doesn't matter. The only thing that matters is consistency. So go for consistency, don't go for perfection. Let's reset, refocus and restart and make these 2 months actually count. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow in another video.